Ever need to break a string into smaller pieces in Java? Maybe you're parsing a date, a CSV line, or a complex ID like this invoice number on the screen. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to use the powerful dot-split method to easily divide any string based on a delimiter. But before we get started, if you find this video helpful, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and share it with another developer. All right, let's look at our code. We have a string called invoice number that contains a year, a month, and an ID, all separated by forward slashes. Our goal is to extract each of these parts. To do this, we'll use the dot-split method. We simply call it on our string and pass in the character or sequence of characters we want to split by. In our case, that's the forward slash. It's important to know that the delimiter you provide is actually a regular expression, or regex. This makes the dot-split method incredibly versatile. For example, you could split on one or more whitespace characters using the regex \s+. The dot-split method returns a string array containing the resulting substrings. Let's store this array in a new variable called string fraction. Now that we have our array, we can easily access each individual part using its index, which starts at 0. For example, to get the year, we can access string fraction 0. Let's print the year to the console to see what we get. And there it is. The year has been successfully extracted. We could do the same for the month at index 1 and the ID at index 2. And that's it. You now know how to quickly parse and divide strings in Java using the dot-split method. If this guide helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.